How can I create a user at Estatoora LMS using Google account? Hi, welcome back to Estatoora LMS tutorial. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to add the teachers and learners to your courses using Google account. Aside from the manual method of adding a user in your LMS, we also have an option where users can create their own account using their Google account. This method is much better than the manual method since users will only need their Google account to access the LMS. To do this, your learners or educators must visit your LMS site to access the LMS homepage. Next, they need to sign up using their email address Google account. You have the option to create their own email address according to your institutional policy, so you can standardize their naming format. Also, Google has age requirements on the Google accounts. For instance, users at 13 years of age cannot log in via Google Auth since they cannot manage their account yet. If you are a paid Estatoora LMS users, you don't need to worry about this since we will integrate your corporate account in your system, which will streamline your process for enrolling your users. As you see the login link on the top right as well as the login block on the right, or beneath the main page content depending on your screen size. Your users must log in using their email address Google account. After signing up using their Google account, they will be redirected to a prompt that an email was sent to their email address in order for them to verify their access. To proceed, just click continue. Now, your users must check their email. It could be in their inbox or spam folder to verify their action of signing up in your LMS. If they already received the email, they will see that it contains a link needed for them to be able to verify and link their account to your LMS. Your users must click the respective URL with long link. They will be redirected to your LMS automatically. Repeat action of logging in by clicking the Google button and choosing the email account they just verified. This time, they will successfully access your LMS dashboard. Now that you learned how your users can create an account using Google account in your LMS, you can now move on to the next video or find out more in the LMS course documentation. Thank you!